Good morning. It is quiet, it's clear, and it is just downright cold for us here this morning. Temperatures are well below freezing here to start off the day, but it is quiet, and that's a great thing to continue the cleanup process from this last round or first round of snow for some here in the valley. So I was out last night and got to see the sun. Hopefully you had a moment or two where you got to see some sunshine as well. Of course, the farther west you are or were last night, the more likely you did get to see it. So I snapped a quick photo. It was just beautiful as the sun was setting last night. And we are going to see more of this today because the skies have cleared, and that's really going to, I think, help us out a little bit just mentally after what's been such a gray and just gloomy a stretch of weather here. Now, looking at our temperatures, we are clear. That we cleared out last night, and that means we really saw temperatures drop with some dry air in place, some light wind, and we're looking at some spots in their coldest numbers so far this season. Only 12 degrees right now in Hallock. It's 14 in Grand Forks. Fargo's at 21. And it's 14 in Fosston and over in Valley City as well, and up toward Lyngdon again. So we are really looking at some chilly numbers. Make sure you're bundling up and prepared for this here this morning. The good thing is though the wind allowed those temperatures to drop that much, or the lack thereof, I should say, the wind also not creating too much of a problem as far as wind chill is concerned here this morning because it is so light. So we're looking at some calm reports. Wind generally coming in out of the south or southwest. Visibility, it's good for most. We do have a little issue in Grand Forks. We were down to 5 miles at the top of the show, so things look a little bit better there at 7 miles. And we are looking at some nice clear skies for many. You can see a lot of us enjoying clear skies. There are some clouds streaming into southeastern North Dakota, but a lot of places are going to be more on the sunny side today. And you can see that there are some snow showers, rain showers down in South Dakota, southern Minnesota that should skirt south of us, but our southern viewing area may see a little bit of those clouds here as we head into the morning this morning. So you can see that. Not everybody completely cloud free, but we do get to see that sun. Temperatures will be on the rise as a result. We'll be into some mid-30s by lunchtime, heading into the afternoon. Not everybody gets there, but the potential's there for some low 40s in the west and over to the south. And that wind starts to pick up out of the southwest too. That's helping to bring in some warmer air. Keep in mind, if you've got a fresh snowpack, especially those areas that saw the heavy amounts of snow, it's a little tougher to warm up with that kind of snowpack in place. So it may be a little cooler in some of those pockets. And on top of that, that sunshine, it's going to melt a little bit, but it is October sunshine. It's not as strong. So it's not going to clear things away right away for us here in the valley. So heading into the nighttime hours, we're looking at some increasing clouds. Our next system approaches this one mainly passing to the north of us, but it will bring clouds for Saturday and chances for some rain and even a couple of snow flurries too. And this is especially the case along the Canadian border there. The wind picks up as well. It's going to be a windy day with some winds gusting into the 20s to 30 miles per hour. Heading into the afternoon, you could see some clouds hanging around, but there'll be some breaks with some sunshine in there too in the valley. More sun in the southern valley than we see up in the northern valley, given we're closer to the system there. Heading into the late hours tomorrow night, things should be quieting down for a time before some wraparound snow moves in for Sunday. So here's a look at our photo today. Valley City State University clock tower, a really pretty scene there. And on your 7-day planner, things are looking better and better. This weekend's still not going to be the nicest. We've got that unsettled weather coming up for Saturday and Sunday, but next week we get into the 50s Wednesday and we just continue to climb into Thursday. So there is some relief coming up here in the forecast.
Fall isn't necessarily over.
No, we're not done with fall yet.
Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up on the Valley today, how one business is bringing the community together by getting festive with apples. We'll have the details ahead.